Hello everyone, this is Sajal Malik. Welcome to my another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a A4 colored paper sheet at home. Normally you can buy these sheets from the market, but sometimes the colored paper needed is not available. So we can make our own colored paper at home, which is much cheaper than the market. The price of one A4 sheet is 2 rupees. This means that 50 sheets cost 100 rupees. And we can make 50 plus sheets using liquid color, which cost only 20 rupees. This is how we can get 50 plus sheets for only 20 rupees. I'll use this waste paper to make my A4 sheet. You can use any type of paper. In fact, after the crafts project, I make a lot of colored sheets by applying extra paint colors on waste papers like old magazines and notebooks, which are later used for my paper crafts. I'll use this liquid color to make homemade colored paper. It is not necessary to use the exact liquid color. You can use any type of color, paint color or paint spray, etc. You can't find this color in a stationery shop. You can only get it from a hardware shop for 20 rupees. More colors are also available. It is written on it that it is for use in chalk and lime, but I'll mix it in water and we'll make 50 to 55 sheets. This is how we apply the liquid color. After applying the color, we will let it dry for a while. It has almost dried up from one side. Now we will apply the color on the other side. After about 3 to 4 minutes, it is completely dry. So it was an easy way to make a A4 colored paper sheet at home. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get all new updates from our channel. Thanks for watching the video. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.